Are you struggling with thinning hair? You are not alone, and there's hope. Many people face hair loss, but OTESALY is here and help you regain your confidence. OTESALY Anti Hair Loss solution is packed with natural ingredients, specifically chosen to nourish your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote new hair growth. Our unique formula combines essential vitamins and minerals that penetrate deep into the scalp, delivering the nutrients your hair needs to thrive. This powerful blend not only supports hair growth, but also helps create a healthier environment for your hair to flourish. OTESALY Anti-Hair Loss solution isn't just about stopping hair loss, it's about enhancing your hair's overall health, which makes your hair look vibrant and full of life. Embrace the journey to revitalize hair, discover the effectiveness of OTESALY Anti-Hair Loss today, and unlock the full potential of your hair. Don't wait any longer. Order now and start your journey to fuller hair.